At the very least, my friend, paulit-ulit kong sasabihin sa inyo, there is a spirit. Yung mga espiritu ho ng namatay ay nandiyan dyan lamang. There is an existence of a spirit in the world which do not show its color during day, but they might also show its color at night. Because they are those spirits of the dead. And God is much more powerful than us to the point that He could do it. Ano pa ho kaya yung pinag-aralan ninyong siyensya? Yung tinatawag na the moon, the stars, the solar system, planeta, iba't ibang universe, galaxy. How did God created it? The mere spirit is a wonder here in this world.